Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox the brand new iPhone 4S. I'm currently using the iPhone 4 to capture this video. So this is the iPhone 4S. I already unboxed this, just doing a quick unboxing video. So this is the white iPhone 4S, okay? 16 gig. There you go. So let's unbox it. So that's it. It's a brand new iPhone 4. Okay. Now the tips, fingertips, and the plugs. The USB cable is here because you can't fix it back, so just put there. So here, this is the earpiece. And this is the plug. So that's it. This is the iPhone 4S unboxing. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate, and comment, like.